हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 4th साइबर कोड इस बुक में से लॉजिकल रीजनिंग इस लेसन के क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व करेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्लास 4th सब्जेक्ट साइबर कोड, चैप्टर 6 लॉजिकल रीजनिंग एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स। क्वेश्चन 1, find the odd one out in each group. Answer is given directly. Question 2. Fill in the blanks with the help of the given clues. 1. Picture puzzles can improve our reasoning. 2. Word 2016 is a type of Microsoft application program. 3. In odd one out, we cancel out the item which does not match with others. 4. Find the difference is a type of picture puzzle. Question 3. Answer the following questions. 1. What is a picture puzzle? Answer. A picture puzzle consists of a series of pictures that can improve our reasoning and visual processing skills. 2. What is odd one out? Answer. Odd one out is a type of picture puzzle where we cancel out the item which does not match with the others in the puzzle. 3. Define coordinates. Answer. Coordinates are used to indicate different areas or locations on a map. They help in pinpointing specific points or places. 4. What is the significance of the find the difference puzzle? Answer. Find the difference puzzle is significant as it helps in improving attention to detail and observational skills by requiring the solver to closely examine two similar pictures and identify the differences between them.
Great video. Mom.
Yes.
I found the good channel for study.
Great. Like the video, share it to your school friends. Subscribe to it. But what's the channel's name?
Wings of Fire Academy.